Captain Romel de los Santos. Company Commander, Cadet Captain John Mark Rubianes. Company XO, Cadet First Lieutenant OGS Palmones. First Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Jayron Monteroso. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Janelle Nacion. CAP Commandant, Garth Morhe Sanchez. CAP Facilitator, Gil Michael Asco. Bat Advisor Coordinator, Maria Teresa Santos. Major Trainer Coordinator, Regina Marcaida. Farm Trainer, Princess Jewel Calisi. Entry number 7, Leon Q. Mercado High School, Urban Pacul, Naga City.
Thank you very much. Entry number 7, Leon Q. Mercado High School, Urban Pacul, Naga City. Next entry, entry number 8, La Consolacion College of Baao Incorporated, formerly Santa Monica Academy, San Ramon, Baao, Camarines Sur. School Head, Sister Elizabeth Infante. OSA, Principal, Mrs. Azalia Pera. Corps Commander, Cadet Colonel Danfred Padilla. Corps S1, Cadet Major.